car.
Any rapper talking greasy, I can take it easy. I can spray him at the light like I'm about to squeegee. Add a rapper to the menu at the Malaguini. Now it's time to wash them down with some fucking Fiji. Little trick or treat on another beat. Living so discreet, so let's keep it brief. I'm that kid ahead of class, I will not repeat. I don't do no hands out, please don't try to reach. When I dive in that pussy, call me Johnny Deep. Red bone like mulatto in a Georgia peach. Money talk a different language, I ain't gotta speak. Niggas copy on their own, I ain't gotta teach. Man, fuck that.
What up, YouTube? It's your boy Keith, and I'm back with another one. But before we get into this video, I just want to say shout out to all my new subscribers. They've been going up, they've been booming. Appreciated the views as well. Some subscribed, some didn't, but hey, hopefully the ones who watched it and subscribe come back, tap in some more, and so hit that subscribe like button, drop some comments. But one way to go, holler at my guy Rob at Kustom Exhaust to get my exhaust fixed. A&B Auto Body Shop, they never properly fixed my exhaust. It's still loose, it was burning to the diffuser, but I know my guy Rob going to get me right. He got me right from the beginning before I got in that crazy ass accident. But yeah, so hopefully, man, this lady running to the back of my car in the back, she is big geeking. But my guy Rob won't get me right, so I'm gonna leave it up to him and his magic. So hopefully today the Batmobile will be straight. But we'll get back to y'all. See these cars built like that.
Hell no.
Dang. So my problem is, when y'all put the exhaust on, like a week later, I got into an accident. So the body shop did not fix my exhaust. What they did, because you can tell I got rear-ended, so this is the same dented pipe. What they did was and you see how loose it is? They cut this one in.
No, this one's loose right here.
Right.
Because this is broken right here.
That's why I came for y'all to fix it. Yeah, but this is how y'all had it right here, right? They cut the pipe and pushed this one in. So I was trying to say, can y'all even it out?
They cut that one?
Yeah, they cut this one, because this is how y'all did it. Right. I got hit on this side. This is what they cut.
Okay.
So I was saying y'all can even it out and fix the bracket, because this loose right here too.
Okay. Let me see. I mean, you may have to cut the bracket off, but right here is because it's bang right here. They might have this out.
Yeah, they cut part of the diffuser because it was burning into the diffuser.
Yeah. Oh, hold on, let me look at it.
All right. I should just get a whole aftermarket exhaust. Yeah, I call it.
That's your boy, man.
He offered up. He offered up his own insurance. I'm trying to tell you, I get pulled over for my shit.
Okay.
And he talking about he don't get pulled over?
Rob.
Ya hice este lado aquí. Ya hice este lado aquí. Aquí vamos a usar, ponemos la paisa. Para que salga más. ¿Lo ves? ¿Cómo? Es un chingo más que hay que sacarlo. Ese está bien.
No, entonces empuja el otro para adentro.
Mira, ese está bien. Ese está perfect. Pero este, no, para adentro. Podemos pegarle.
Okay.
Yeah, that's the.
The hanger, man. This needs a hanger right here, right? So this is all.
But what they did, they try to cover up, so they repaired it. They cut that pipe, so that one on the left sticks out a little further. That's the one y'all.
You want it out like this, or you want it in like this?
I want it out. I like it how y'all put it.
So come right here, right? Come right here, and add a piece of pipe to it, and let's turn it out. That's it.
Yeah. I was hurt when he did that. My car was in the shop for over a month. Man,
Oh, mom.
yeah, they didn't put the bracket in. They didn't do shit for real. It was a hassle.
Vamos a hacer tipo con él. Dame una paisa bien, para que lo vea.
No hay.
¿Ah?
No lo moche, no hay 9:30. No lo moche.
Tengo un pedazo.
Acá hay pintura, no lo moche, no hay pedazo.
No tenga misma. Sí.
Vamos a meter el ojo fuerte.
But yeah, the damage is like 4,000 in damages. And a body shop pocketed all the money. They didn't put nothing new on there, but a bumper and diffuser.
What?
Yeah,
For 4,000.
for 4,000. They. Huh?
Who did you take it to?
It's out Dundalk, Maryland.
Called us.
Hey.
And then you would have pocketed a lot, like at least 3,000.
Yo, but that's fucked up because you know this shit doesn't go with fucking.
That's what them zip tied and screwed.
I ain't gonna put screws right here, yo.
Look, you gotta order a new diffuser, get a new bumper, paint it and everything. You probably gonna waste like, if 700, if that, and you would have the rest. You should have took the check and been like, I'm gonna fix it myself.
Yeah, you should say you would have.
For real.
Next time, call him.
Yeah.
He's using your pocket.
Hello. Next time, we'll take that.
Yeah, they was on some scam and shit, and they still wasn't trying to fix it. I'm like, bruh. Then they scratched my paint up. I had to pay to get it detailed myself. So my lawyer said, I gotta get a receipt from y'all. He gonna give to the insurance company. I did all that. They paid me for the bodily injury, but once I get everything squared away with the repairs, then I'm gonna get another check. But I never go to that body shop ever again. Oh, and then they stole from me too. I left my Beat earphones in the back seat. Stole it. They stole the floor mat and everything.
What the fuck?
Yeah, man, shit crazy. Definitely hot.
What shop was that?
A&B Auto. Never go there again. They gonna steal from you and fuck your shit up.
What does that shit? No lo repararon bien.
Yeah. And it was crazy when he hit me, I was sitting in traffic.
Yeah, I don't think they repaired it though.
They didn't. And they let the insurance company wasn't trying to do anything to like make them fix it, but it is what it is. I was thinking about trading it in and get a newer model, but I don't know how that process would go since I still owe money on it.
Yeah, around my way, you be doing that shit too.
For real?
I mean, by, Bowie?
Yeah.
Yeah. I saw one, this charger hit the other charger just spinning around the school like every night.
Yo, you see the work my guy Rob and his cousin Carlos do? Come on, man, come to Kustom Exhaust. I'm gonna drop all that info in the description. You see, it's my third time being back. Come on, now they do good work. So I'm dropping all that in the bottom. Tap in. Come get your exhaust. All your exhaust needs. And this video is over. You know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe. Drop some comments. And a lot of y'all been giving me thumbs down. I ain't mad at you. You know, I ain't mad. It is what it is, but come rock with my Come rock with my guys, Rob and Carlos at Kustom Exhaust. We out here, baby.
Any rapper talking greasy, I can take it easy. I can spray him at the light like I'm about to squeegee. Add a rapper to the menu at the Malaguini. Now it's time to wash them down with some fucking Fiji. Little trick or treat on another beat. Living so discreet, so let's keep it brief. I'm that kid ahead of class, I will not repeat. I don't do no hands out, please don't try to reach. When I dive in that pussy, call me Johnny Deep. Red bone like mulatto in a Georgia peach. Money talk a different language, I ain't gotta speak. Niggas copy on their own, I ain't gotta teach. Man, fuck that. They like, what's next? This is all facts. I don't just flex. Got them upset. I ain't done yet.